Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the place you are watching for. Greet you with your time, guys. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, dipende dove sta guardando questo video. Io salutavo voi come vostro ora adesso, benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto al nostro canale. Oggi facciamo biscotti di mimosa. Di solito io faccio sempre torta di mimosa, per cambiarla io faccio biscotti quest'anno. Today guys, we want to make mimosa cookies. Normal, I always bake mimosa cake every year. You know, on the 8th of March is Women's Day. To celebrate women, they always bake cake. So if you want to know how to bake the mimosa cake, you can easily check my YouTube channel how to get this cake there. But today I'm going to do a version of cookies. Let us go, guys. Ingredients we need for this mimosa cookies: we need 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 70 grams of sugar, 50 grams of hazelnut flour, 50 grams of butter, 30 grams of chocolate drops, as you can see, 1 egg, and we need our cornflakes, vanilla extract, 6 grams of baking powder, and pinch of salt as well. We always need a piece of salt. Anything you want to bake, we need pinch of salt. Ingredienti che serve per quello biscotti di mimosa: abbiamo 50 grammi di burro, 50 grammi di farina di mandorle, 70 grammi di zucchero semolato, 100 grammi farina 00, 30 grammi di cioccolato, gocce cioccolato, un uovo, we need 1 egg, 6 grammi di lievito per dolce, un goccino di vaniglia, voi poi usare vanillina, e il nostro cornflakes. Then we have to put all this aside. Add our sugar into the butter. Before you work on the sugar and the butter, you have to bring your butter out for fridge for 1 hour or 30 minutes so that it will melt before you use it. If not, it's too strong, so we have to work on it now. If you like, you can easily use electric mixer. I'm using hand, is the same, do not change anything. Se vuoi poi usare frusta elettrica, io sto usando a mano. We had our egg, nostro uovo, e mix to get this result. As you can see, it's creamy now. Our baking powder, il nostro lievito, mettiamo dentro farina, add our flour to it, vanilla. If you like, you can easily add zest, lemon zest or orange zest. I only put orange zest because I don't have it at home now, so you can easily put to give in the aroma. Se vuole può mettere scorza di limone o arancia. Io sempre metto, per adesso io no, non ce l'ho a casa. So we have to mix this flour together, and your second one is not flour. Mix. First, we have to add our pinch of salt. Now we will mix it with hand and our chocolate. Also cioccolato, mischiamo a mano. Then after set and done, we will now take it to the fridge. As you can see, it's very light. It's light cookies to rest for 30 minutes before we bake. It's set now. We have to keep it for fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Portiamo da riposare il frigorifero per mezz'ora. Dopo lavoriamo in posto così semplice. Guys, after 30 minutes, we have to bring it out of the fridge. Dopo mezz'ora tiriamo fuori dal frigorifero. Then we work on it like this. Just create a ball, just like this, and just take it like this for the cornflakes. Top of the cornflakes like this. So this mimosa is a flour, yellow flour. Those who live in Italy, they know the mimosa I'm talking about. They know the flour I'm talking about. So just like this, and place it here. We have to do all our ball like that. Andiamo palline e passa sopra cornflakes, così. So it's not every time we bake cake. Normal is cake. I always create cake for this mimosa Women's Day. So this year I just decide to do something else, you know. So we have to do all our dough like this. Noi fa tutti farina così. Quest'anno ho deciso di fare un'altra cosa, ho creato quello biscotti di mimosa. Di solito ogni anno io faccio torta, non sempre torta meno, creare un'altra cosa. Okay, so we have to do all our dough like this. Guys, as you can see, we already finished our dough. We have to bake it now. Take it to the oven, 180 degrees for normal baking static oven for 20 or 15 minutes, depends of your oven. Abbiamo finito fare le nostre palline impanatura. Portiamo il forno da cuocere 180 gradi, forno statico per 15 o 20 minuti, dipende dal vostro forno. Guys, our cookie set, il nostro biscotti è pronta. Adesso mettiamo sul piatto. Guys, our mimosa cookies is set. As you can see the way it look like now. It look like the flour. You know the flour, I know what I'm talking about. Happy Women's Day to you all, the women in the world, or the old women. If you like this recipe, guys, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you already subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. We see you on my next video. We see you on my next recipe. Give a try on this recipe and leave your comment on the description box below. Thank you for your watching. God bless. Ciao ragazzi, il nostro biscotti di mimosa è pronta. Chi sai, siamo in Italia, sa mimosa non somiglia ai fiori di mimosa. Se piace quello ricetta, provala e fammi sapere sul commento e condivide questo video con tuoi contatti, amici su Facebook, su Instagram, per tutto. E non dimentica per iscriverti al nostro canale se tu non ancora fatto. Se hai iscritto qua prima, grazie a Dio di benedica. Ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video, ci vediamo nella mia prossima ricetta. Grazie a tutti, Dio di benedica. Io fa vedere com'è dentro, è morbidoso, è molto buono, è friabile, buonissima. Provala quello ricetta e fammi sapere sul commento. Grazie a Dio di benedica a tutti. Ciao ciao, ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video. My next recipe. Bye bye guys. Thank you for your watching. God bless.